Good morning, D1. Happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead. Let's look at what your jobs are for today. So first things first, we're on the home page. I'm going to come over here to the week of the 8th through the 12th, and it is Tuesday. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to see here we have our jobs for the day. First things first, we have our morning work. You're going to go ahead and click on the sun. And as we saw on Monday, we're not really looking at grammar this week. We're going to be looking at social emotional skills. And so part of that is I would like for you to go ahead and answer this survey. And so you're going to go ahead, you're going to go through, you're going to see 5 different terms. Self-awareness, self-management, and or self-regulation, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision making. And you're going to let me know, have you heard of this term, yes or no, and what do you think it means? This is a time for you to give me complete sentences, letting me know what you think each of these mean. Even if you do not know what it means, tell me what you think it means based off of what you are given. Responsible decision making. Maybe you don't know the exact definition, but what do you think it means? Social awareness. Maybe you don't know the exact definition, but what do you think it means? And so that is what I would like for you to do this morning. After that, you are going to go ahead, you are going to complete your journal. It is Top 10 Tuesday. And your top 10 Tuesday job for today is to write a top 10 list of your dreams and wishes. And so you are going to go through, you are going to justify your number one pick with 5 to 6 sentences. Maybe it's a dream of yours to go to the Olympics. Maybe it's a dream of yours to be a famous Hollywood star. Maybe it's a dream or wish of yours to own baby goats on a farm. Maybe your dream or wish is to become an astronaut. And so you're going to go ahead, you're going to come up with a top 10 list of dreams and wishes, and then justify your number one pick with 5 to 6 sentences. Sentence frames and starters are on the right, as always. Then we're going to go ahead. You have your class Zoom, 9 o'clock. Please be on time. 10 o'clock, we have PE. I'm going to click on our friend who is stretching. And you are going to go ahead and press the orange button. 10 o'clock, you're going to go hang out with Miss H. Do your job for that. Then when you come back, take a mini break. You deserve it. And after your break, you're going to jump into your spelling job. Again, we are working with double vowels this week. Some double vowels, they make kind of strange sounds, like OI makes oi sound. And other sounds just say the first vowel's name. And so we're going to be looking at that today a little bit further, and you are going to go ahead, you are going to go through these sentences and you're going to circle the correct spelling. If you need the sentences to be read aloud so you know exactly what these words sound like, you can click on the audio here. Miss Walsh does that for you. But yeah, your job is to go ahead, you're going to take the circle and you're going to circle the correct spelling of each. Alrighty. Then after that, you have your rainforest pictorial and quick check. Go ahead and press the IB button. Miss Walsh will be uploading the pictorial before Zoom today, so you'll notice the pictorial isn't posted yet. Miss Walsh is going to be posting it before Zoom, so please just keep that in mind. Please do not start this until Miss Walsh has posted that. But you're going to go ahead after Miss Walsh has posted the pictorial and you've watched it, you're going to go through and answer these questions. As always, true or false. True means yes, correct. False means not correct. Select all features. That means that there's probably going to be more than one answer. So go through and really look at all your options. Alrighty. Then we have after IB, you're going to go ahead, Black History Month. We are going to be talking about Condoleezza Rice today. Alrighty, and so you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the slide, you're going to see we have our friend Condoleezza Rice here. You are going to either listen or read the paragraph about Condoleezza Rice. Then afterwards, you are going to click on her and you will see that there is a YouTube link. You will click it, it will take you straight over to the video. Alrighty, then you're going to move on to slide number 2. You're going to see it is a summary like we've done the past couple days. So based off of what you watched as well as what you read, you are going to give me 5 to 6 sentence summary explaining who Condoleezza Rice is and why she is an important figure. Alrighty, then we have lunch after lunchtime at 1 o'clock. Some friends are going to notice on their Google Classroom, they have where it says must do 1 o'clock Zoom. My friends who must come to the 1 o'clock Zoom today are Valerie, Colette, Hunter, Liliana, and AJ. Please, please, please come. You guys have to come for today's Zoom so that way I can do our pre-assessment for the social emotional learning. You guys are going to want to come. It's a game. It's a lot of fun. So please, please come 1 o'clock today. Then everybody else, you'll probably be at lunch at this time. So my friends who I've asked to join me probably eat lunch before or after, depending on how you like to have your meals. Just keep that in mind. Then for math today, we are going to be doing equal groups division. And so we are going to be doing those beginning steps of division. Uh-oh, it looked like it didn't switch over. That's okay. So you're going to go ahead. I'll fix that one in just a moment. So you can see some friends are going to have must attend Zoom at 1. So not all friends will have that, but some friends will have that. So keep that in mind. So here's your equal groups job. You are going to start off by watching this video first. You just click on the big YouTube symbol and you see a link pops up. It will take you straight to the video. After you watch the video, then you're going to move on to slide number 2. Slide number 2, audio is provided, tools are provided. You are going to respond to this question. You are going to draw a picture and then you're going to tell me step by step how you solved. So that's going to require you to be very detailed in your explanation. This is going to be probably a paragraph long, and that is okay because that's kind of the expectation. If you're telling me step by step, what did you do first? What did you do right after? Then what happened? And so on. Alrighty. And then finally, you have iReady Reading 30 minutes, and then you're done for the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, office hours 11:30 to 12:30. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye, D1.